I will never understand the meaning of body shaming idols. Like I have seen so many so-called pop stans make several videos about idols shaking bones and calling it embarrassing and calling them the victims just cause they don't have ass. And I get it. You guys are totally right because they don't have ass. But why drag it? We already know that it is embarrassing. And how do you think idols feel seeing you guys drag something that they might be insecure about? And of course you're gonna say if they know they don't have ass, why do they still try to shape? Because they're grown ass women who can do what they want. And you guys are their fans. You're there to support them if no one else will. And yet you're here body shaming them.